Welcome back to another video on Bavarian Motorworks. No, I haven't broken down in a random place. But anyway, today's video is going to be about remaps and why you should be careful with who you go with. Now, the original remapper of this car, after I had problems with it, he failed to acknowledge me. Basically said, it's not my problem. It's not the remap. It's your car. So after being sent on a unbelievably wild goose chase, I ended up rebuilding the whole car. Turbo reconned, injectors reconned. I rebuilt the fitted new conrod shells, put a new head gasket on while the head was off, chains, guides, all boost hoses, you name it, I've done it. I've totally cleared it out of any gunky oil, replaced the airflow meter, the boost sensor, basically everything. I've just put new oil in it now, and I did have the map fixed by a reputable company, someone who knows what they're doing. Basically, I searched high and low for a trustworthy person, because after that I just didn't trust anybody. Majority of people didn't want to touch it, and in the end it was fixed by PD Tuning, a guy named Henry at PD Tuning, and I will put the link below. He's done an absolute fantastic job. I would always recommend a rolling road remap from now on, personally, because then you'll get the full benefit rather than these, preloaded maps that they just shove on, and which I don't think you get the full benefit of preloaded maps. Rolling road one will tell you everything that you need to know. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go for a little spin, and hopefully I'm going to get some decent footage. I'm not going to go crazy and do 100 mile an hour, but I'll give you a quick look of the vehicle. I have just tea-cutted it. The paint needs looking at. It's something I'm going to get looked at next year, all these stone chips, but she doesn't look bad for a 17-year-old car now. Spent all day tea-cutting, so I'll give you a quick my pride and joy. So there you have it. And now what we'll do is I'll get the camera set up and we'll go for a spin.